Hey guys, it's Desi Jade and I'm back again with another video. I'm not going to talk too much in this video. I'm going to just get straight into it. Also, a little side note, I didn't put my intro because ever since 2019, YouTube has been giving me some copyright problems with my intro song, The Don't by Bryson Tiller. So I'm going to have to remake a new intro. But besides that, let's just get straight into this video. Okay, so here I'm starting off with freshly co-washed hair. And I'm going to show you guys a quick little length check as always. Yep. So the first thing I'm going to do is do a quick little detangle with my Kinky Curly Knot today. I already pre-detangled in the shower, so this is going to be a breeze. Okay, so after detangling with the wide tooth comb, I'm going to use this brush. I don't know if it's a board brush, but, well, it's a blow drying brush, but I use it to smooth my curls. And here I'm just showing you my curl pattern when I use that. I do get a lot of shrinkage from this, but it just makes my curls look so juicy, so I don't really care. And I'm going to just do this to each section after I detangle with the wide tooth comb. So now I'm going to be using the Pomegranate and Honey leave-in conditioner by Mielle just for some moisture into my hair because the Kinky Curly doesn't really say anything about moisture. So I'm using this just to be safe. So now I'm just going to repeat those same processes over all the rest of my hair before we get into the parting and all that other good stuff. Next, I'm going to be putting in some organic virgin coconut oil to seal in all that moisture that I just put into my hair. So here, I'm just trying to figure out if I want a middle part or a side part. And I decided to do a side part. I don't really like the middle part on me that much unless my hair's straight. So I'm just going to be parting and trying to get my part as straight as I like it. Okay, so the key to getting a sleek ponytail on thick natural hair is doing it in sections. So that's what I'm doing here. You're going to want to start at the very back section, the part closest to the nape of your neck, and then you're going to smooth ponytail, and then you're going to move up, smooth ponytail, and just repeat the process until you get to the very top. Show you guys the products I'm going to be using for the rest of this video. Just a spray bottle full of water. I'm using the Styler Krystal Gel and the Style Factor Edge Booster. This is the coconut banana one. Okay, so this last section is the section that's gonna be mostly sleeked down with just a little bit in the ponytail, if that makes sense, which is what I'm trying to show you guys. So I'm gonna just spray the whole section down and brush through the whole thing to make sure everything's going in the same direction and to make sure that it lays as flat as possible. So for the last part of this video, I'm gonna just do my edges and I'm not gonna do anything too crazy. I'm not gonna make any octopus tentacles or anything. I'm gonna just do my little swoops and call it a day. I thought I was done, but then I looked at my ponytail and realized that it was super frizzy from me smoothing. So I'm gonna just brush through it with my defining brush to make those curls bouncy and juicy. Alright guys, so I just finished doing this slick back low ponytail for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see more videos like this, just make sure to leave a like, comment, and please subscribe. Also, when you subscribe, turn on your post notifications because we're almost at 300 subscribers. But other than that, thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay happy, stay positive, and stay blessed. Bye guys.